Sagip Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta is prepared in case Commission on Elections or COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia does file an ethics complaint against him. This is in connection with Marcoleta's bribery and corruption allegations against the poll body chief allegedly linked with COMELEC's chosen service provider for the upcoming 2025 elections, Miru Systems. The lawmaker alleged the COMELEC chair owns offshore accounts. Meanwhile, the COMELEC chief denied anew the allegations being hurled against him and vowed to take steps to make those spreading false information against him accountable for their actions. He also said he wants those behind what he believes is a demolition job to be penalized under the law.
Once na ma-receive nyo yung NBI result, kasama rin po yung kung ano man na ibibigay ng AMLAC, magpa-file kayo ng ethics complaint against that congressman?
Opo, wala pong problema. Kasi sa bandang huli, kinakailangan may remedyo para sa nangyayari. Lalo na po yung mga pamimeke, pagpa-falsify ng mga dokumento. Hindi naman po porket may kapangyarihan. Kapag ka nameke, ibig sabihin, okay lang. Dapat po parehas yung batas. Pag nameke, kahit na ano pang katayuan mo sa buhay, nameke. Pag pinaasa, kasi po pinaasa ang tao dito. Sinabi ganyan, pinaniwala. Hindi po ba yan ay pagsisinungaling?
Bakit ako yung tinutuntun niya na, okay, kung meron siyang ground na mag-file ng ethics complaint, kung palagay niya tama yung gagawin niya, we are in a democracy, why don't he do it? Bakit ako yung kanyang paghihinalaan na gumagawa ng demolition job? Am I trying to demolish the COMELEC? The COMELEC is an independent constitutional body. We should protect the COMELEC. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we should also protect our national elections.